Hi everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to go over a quick herb prep I did. I took cilantro in the food processor and chopped it up and made sure it was very dry, put it in jars. I did the same thing with parsley. I'll keep these in the refrigerator and take out and use as needed for my recipes. The next thing I made was an oil-based cilantro dressing, and I used cilantro, white wine vinegar, olive oil, red chili flakes, garlic, and salt to combine those together in the food processor as to taste, more vinegar if you like, less. I also did the same with the cilantro creamy dressing, which I did with rosemary, cilantro, Dijon, garlic, shallots, white wine vinegar, and olive oil. I used this dressing actually for a tuna salad instead of mayonnaise. It was delicious. So hope you find these tips helpful. Thank you and enjoy.